Meaning of disinclined.
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 Disinclined. Disinclined refers to a lack of willingness or inclination to do something. It describes a state where one feels reluctant or unenthusiastic about a particular task, activity, or idea. This feeling can be due to various reasons like lack of interest, previous negative experiences, or simply a lack of motivation. Individuals who are disinclined may feel a sense of resistance towards the task, which can result in delays, reduced productivity, and suboptimal outcomes. Overall, disinclined suggests a negative attitude towards the task at hand and a reluctance to engage with it.